Hi and welcome to the first of a series of short Axe 4 preview videos. I'm Duncan Brigginshaw, a Director of Odin, and I'd like to take you through some of the upcoming features of our game-changing version 4 release. Firstly, let's look at the new Axe Integrated Test Environment, or Axe ITE for short. Straight out, you can see it has the fresh Metro look and feel, which I love, definitely a clean and modern UI. The Axe ITE itself provides users with a one-stop shop, a user interface where they can carry out their daily tasks, managing Axe project assets, designing tests, generating code, working with the ALM tools, even running tests and looking at results. Everything in the ITE is at their fingertips and connected. Let's open a project and take a quick look through the interface. The whole ITE itself is based on the dockable window concept that many people are familiar with. You can see that I can pop out a window, move it over to the right hand side and dock it elsewhere in the ITE. I can also use windows in a standalone fashion, popping out the basic test window there. It's a very useful feature if you're lucky enough to have a multiple monitor setup. You can work on project assets across multiple monitors. We've kept useful toolbars on each window, as you can see, so basic tasks like saving, undoing, etc. can be performed without going back to the ribbon. The ITE remembers where you left off, so you can customize it to your own liking and keep it that way. Move this back to the center. Take the Project Explorer back over to the other side. There are also pop-out and pinnable explorers. We've already seen the Project Explorer. If I locate an asset, even down to the ID level, so we'll pick a subtest, double-click the ID, it will open that asset up within the central pane, highlighting the particular row that we've selected. You'll see also on the right hand side now we've got a pinnable Object Explorer. So let's pin that. We can quickly locate the objects we need and even drag them across into the central pane to fill them in the appropriate place. I'll quickly undo that. Let's build and run a couple of tests in the new UI. I can do this directly from the test table now. So let's go to the test table. We can select tests either individually or in groups using Control or Shift to select ranges. So let's build and run an individual test. We see when we right click that we have an option there to build and run the selected tests. When I hit that, it will confirm what we're doing and then generate me the test suite. In turn, launching execution, you can see on the right hand side there the run monitor and the test executing, this case in Selenium. When the run is over, Axe will update the results and I can see everything, double click, see the result of the test without having to leave the ITE. I hope you agree it makes for a much more focused user experience all round. For the diehards, we've provided the ability to quickly step out into a browser, here for the results, or Excel by clicking on the icon. Let's close that out. We've worked hard on identifying common tasks, minimizing context switching, and providing everything the user needs to do their jobs efficiently at their fingertips. So, thanks for taking a look at our new ITE. In the next video, we'll be taking a look at the great new features of our custom-built spreadsheet editor.